Let me guess. You want to do a song, but you don't know where to start. So you come to me for advice, right? When you're in love. I got a few things for you. Just stay tuned. So I'm gonna keep it very simple and to the point, because I wish when I started out that it was that easy for me. I feel like I had to search until I found a particular engineer that was on the YouTube that really gave me game and truth, right? So when you get started, first thing you really want to do is you want to choose a DAW, digital audio workstation, that really works for you and really gets your creativity out as fast and efficient as possible. So once you've downloaded your website, FL Studio, Ableton, Pro Tools, Studio One, whatever you chose, get familiar with your program, play with it, watch a few tutorials on YouTube just like you're doing now on people that really outlines the basis of getting started. But once you do that, the first step you really want to do after you got everything set up and ready to record is choose your microphone based on the voice or instrument that you will be playing. And just to show a few, I have condenser mics. I have this by AKG 214, which I've had for 10 years now. This is a really great mic. I use it on everything. And then you got this one, AKG P120, which is, I wouldn't say a cheaper version of this, but it's a cheaper counterpart because they're part of the same company. But you just choose based on vocal tone and character that you're looking for, because just because this mic costs more than this mic doesn't mean that this mic isn't perfect for certain situations. There's certain sounds, there's certain guitars, there's certain vocal tones that this mic captures better than this one, believe it or not. The next thing you want to do, you want to connect and install the drivers for your audio interface. What this does, this interface, the connection between the computer or the laptop and the connection from the headphones and the microphone. Once you got your microphone picked out, you got your cords hooked up, your audio interface hooked up, and you got the studio downloaded, now we want to put everything together, and now it's going to be strictly working out of your computer. But this is where the fun starts. So now you want to open up a session. We're going to be using FL Studio 24. You want to search Type Beat on YouTube. You can put in whatever artist you want to. Look, what you want to do is go down to their descriptions, and when you go to download, it should take you to their website. And sometimes they have where you can download it free. Now that you have a beat, you want to put the beat in your session. So the way we did that, you downloaded it from either your email or from YouTube or from a converter, and you will go to your documents, and it'll likely be in downloads. Then you drag the beat and you put it into your session. So now that we got everything set up, listen to the beat, do one final run through, make sure it's the one you want to record on. Go ahead and write your lyrics or freestyle if you're as good as Jay-Z and Lil Wayne. And this is the button you're gonna press next.
As the world spin, I stand holding on to my morals, but mine stay really out of space, chilling with the immortals. Come back down, and what I found is nobody can see me. I guess because on D3, I'm canceling out the 3D. I remember back when all this was relatable. Now we ain't the same, and it's not even debatable. On my lifestyle, presented the aura that I possess. I walk around with a red and yellow S on my chest. Just a quick one. As the world spin, I stand holding on to my morals, but mine stay really out of space, chilling with the immortals. Come back down, what I found is nobody can see me. I guess because I am D3 on canceling out the 3D.
You might as well get in comfy mode. This is where it gets long and fun though. If you find this part tedious, then you're not really meant to be an engineer. So now you got your beat, you got your recording. The hard part is over, or at least the work is over. You're gonna go here again and bring up your mixer. Let's extend this out. You're gonna go to the track that you put your vocal on. And when you play it, and hopefully you got your headphones on, so as we see, my vocal isn't playing through here like it should. So what you're gonna do is go back to your, oh, let me move it out the way. Go here, go to channel again, and you're gonna place this on the track that you want. If I place it on track 16, I'm gonna start over. And it's now playing through track 16.
This shit was overlatable. I said we was the same and now it ain't even debatable. If my lifestyle presented the aura that I possess, then I walk around with a red and yellow S on my chest. Parade vest, no getting attention, the captain is speaking. Your knees weaken like a lady friend I possessed last meeting. Almost.
So now what you wanna do is to change the waveforms of your voice. So now we got a EQ pulled up, and EQ stands for equalization, which is just going to be your vocal waveform playing. See how it moves as I talk? See? Yo, mic check. So this is my vocal in computer form. What you wanna do, you wanna play the vocal.
As the world spin, I stand holding on to my morals, but mine stay really out of space. Chilling with the immortals, come back down. What I found ain't nobody can see me because I am beating on canceling.
So you wanna play around with this EQ? If you really wanna get in detail of what I'm doing, I'll make another video soon. But for this sake, I'll just go get the basics. You just go to preset, and use one of the presets. Vocal preset. The next thing you want to do is you want to use a compression, which after you get the vocal tone, because that's what EQ does, is giving you the tone, you want to pick a compressor. And there's many you can use. I like to use Fab Pro C compression because it's just a very nice and graphic one. So once again, you're going to play the vocals.
What's this? Then I walk around with a red and yellow S on my chest. Parade vest, no getting attention, the captain is speaking. Your knees weaken like a lady friend I possessed last meeting.
At this point, you got your full song laid out. It's gonna take a bit more detail in mixing and mastering, but at this point you can take your song and put it on things like SoundCloud just as a demo for people to listen to. And if you want to get more in detail, I will make more videos on EQ, compression, reverb, delays. It's a lot. It's a lot to this music. Side chaining. So I suggest you follow these steps, but add the details that I'm going to outline in other videos to get a complete song and that sound you're going for to compete with the people on the radio. But I do got one more step, because after you do that, I want to show you how in FL Studio, since I got it pulled up, you mix this down, that way you can put it on your phone, you can listen to it in the car. You're a real artist now. You want to click on File, and you want to export. So you pick Wave. For this sake, we'll do MP3. MP3 has less space that it takes up. You'll name the file, you'll hit save, and then when you're ready, you'll hit start. And once it starts, you just let this render all the way down.
That I possess, then I walk around with a red and yellow S on my chest. Parade vest, no get.
So there we have it. That's your steps. As simple as it gets. You're gonna go through them steps. You're gonna have your song, radio ready in 10 minutes, right? Maybe not 10 minutes. But this is at least the outline of the steps you're gonna take. I just wanted to show you that it's really not hard. And really, as an engineer and as an artist, you're not gonna copy everything I do forever. You're gonna start off using this, and eventually you go do your own thing. And that's what's gonna make you unique. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. I really hope you learned something. This is my first time. This is probably your first time. Leave in the comments how I can get better, things that I could have did, could have said, what I missed, what you just want to hear or know or talk about. Leave it in the comments, and I will get back to you. I will get better. This channel is ultimately for you. I'm Young D3, and I'm signing off.